Hello, welcome to Perfect Pixel. My name is Ali John and I'm here to give you essential training of Adobe Illustrator 2018. Please subscribe our channel to stay connected for more and more. My first tutorial for beginners. Today I will tell you how to make brushes. If there is one function of Adobe Illustrator which I geek out on, it has to be the ability to make and use my own custom brushes. Finding new uses for brushes and creative ways to apply them is my vector drug. I find I use art brushes more than any other type, especially these with profile-inspired brushes. This is actually one of my first tutorials for beginners. There are many different types of brushes you can create, and once you learn them inside and out, you'll find many practical and experimental ways to use them. Now let's try. Choose the line and draw the inside of artboard. We need 6 lines. When you draw the lines, then click on stroke and increase the stroke of lines. Next you click on variable with profile to convert it to different brushes.